Hello, folks. Welcome to Viswam Groups and Technologies YouTube channel. Here today we will be discussing about a new module designed by the organization Viswam. The name of the module is ViswamAuth. So this is a very basic module which is designed in order to provide a sign-in and a login authentication to any basic Python program. So this is the source code is kept inside this. It is indeed a short program, but a very effective one, which can change the way of an approach of designing a Python program. So let's try to catch up all the possible methods and functions involved in this module. So first, let me reset all this. Okay. So let's first talk about ViswamAuth. So if I talk about ViswamAuth, the main uh, functions inside this is first is passcodes. We have sign in, then we have the passcode verification, we have pass forgot, and we also have the log ACC. So let's first test this up. So the first one is creating an account. So viswamauth.sign account. So when I run this, I would prefer running this in a CMD. Enter your name. So it is Viswam Tech, uh, Viswam Tech 25, and the email is, let's say, Viswam Groups Technologies @gmail.com. Password Viswam @2022. So this is going to create a password, and it also generated a passcode file for me for further verification. This can be used by the developer of a program for providing two verification step, and this is a safer method. You can see we have four passcodes created for the account, and we have a CSV file where we have Viswam Tech and you have Viswam Tech 25. You can see all this information given in a CSV file. So this is the account that is created. Okay, so this is how the sign in works. So now let's check with login. So when I run the same file, enter username, so it is Viswam Tech 25, and the password is Viswam @2022. So logged in successfully. So this is how the login works. Alright. And let's now talk about the passcode verification. The passcode verification. Alright. So when I again run this, it is asking me enter any from four passcode provided for the verification. So I'm going to enter my passcode given in the text file. So this is one of my passcodes. You can enter any passcode for verification. I'll be entering this for the time being, and the passcode is verified successfully. Alright, so we have completed a passcode verification. Now let's talk about pass forgot. So in case I forgot my password of my account, I can use this method. So I'm going to use my username, pass forgot. So if you look here, pass forgot is very important because pass forgot has two parameters, which is email and app pass. So if you don't mention that in or if you don't mention the arguments when you're calling the method, then this will be an invalid way of calling the method of ViswamAuth. So let's mention, so let's say it is I'm going to pass forgot, and I'm going to mention me being the developer. I want to mention of my email ID, which is, let's say, Viswam Groups Technologies @gmail.com, and my app password. And app password, you can go to your Google, you can go to Google and you can get your app passwords. And yes, if you come here, we'll go to our app passwords, and you can find several app passwords here. So let's continue and get our app password. Yes, so I'm going to create myself a app password with some auth. So I'm going to create it, and this is my app password. I'm going to copy this up. Done. And I'm going to put my app password in here, and I'm going to call my function, my program again. Enter username. It is, let's say, ViswamTech25. Yes, this is my email ID. So we are waiting for some time. Please wait. And we're going to get the verification code to our email ID. So we have to go to Google again to verify our email address, gmail.com, and you can check that there is an email verification code for password given, which is 179716. I'm going to copy this up. So if you look, successfully verified your account, and my account details are given here. So this is how this program works, and four basic methods here, which is pass forgot, and there's also one more, which is not for the user, it is for the developer, which is help. So whenever you need help from this, you can just simply use help here. You can go to your uh, CMD, and you can call for Python test.py, and you can enter your query again. If you want the purpose of this module, you can enter this. If you want uh, how to create an app password, you can, it will redirect you to how to create app password. You can use this documentation given by Google. And if you want to uh, enter any other query, you can enter your email ID. Let's say I have another email ID, 2026 gmail.com, and an app password I've created before. You can look, there are like a lot of files up here. Yes, and my query is how to create a file. So this query will be sent to Viswam, which is the home or the main organizing structure of this module. So if you go to Google again, and you can check that we got our query, which is the user query, how to create a file. So we will be replying to you after viewing this. We can use file management in Python, and it will give you the solution properly, and we'll send the reply back within 2 days. So this is how this app is built, and the date today is 30th of June 2025, and this is just the beginning of this program, and for sure in the future we'll be updating this and taking this to the next step, so that this can be also utilized in web frameworks like Django, Flask, and also GUI like Kinta. We'll try to get this into many other programming languages like C++, C, and Java. So this is ViswamAuth 1.0 releasing today on 30th of June 2025. This is your Viswam Authority, Viswam organization head Sujit Shaurya signing off. Thank you so much. Have a good day.